The very first thing you have to do the first time you log into Vinley is to add assets to your portfolio or watch list. Remember that Vinley has today 3 asset classes: stocks, ETFs, and crypto assets. So let me show you through an example looking at companies like Nike and Adidas, so sports apparel companies. So first things first is, in order to add an asset, or Nike in this specific case, to the portfolio watch list, I'm going to just type the term Nike in the toolbar here. So by typing Nike, Vinley will search for companies that match this text, and you're going to see, in fact, all companies that carry the term Nike in it. You can also go through tickers. So if you would know that the ticker of Nike is NKE, which could be the case, you just type NKE, and it will then again also just search for companies that carry that ticker. So just going to add here Nike to it, and then you have 2 options. You have either the option of adding it to the watch list, which means that we will not compare the performance of the cost versus the current share price, or you add it to the portfolio because you want to monitor how the stock has evolved and the performance is versus your purchase price. So let's imagine that you bought hundreds of those stocks at $42 US. You bought it in March, just as an example. You're going to add it to your portfolio, and you see now that the line appears here and is going to calculate the cost and the performance of it as well. Let's imagine we're going to add Adidas to it as well. So just going to type Adidas here. I don't know the ticker, and it will show me 2 tickers that are on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, and I will just add Adidas, I don't own it, to the watch list. So you'll see now that both companies appear here, and one is being flagged in yellow, and the other one, Adidas, which is just in the watch list, is not flagged with this yellow, let's say, marker. Advantage of doing this, when you add more companies, let me just show you. Just going to add LVMH, for example, to it. So I'm going to have a couple of companies that I want to add here, just adding to the watch list. Is that afterwards, when you will be doing analysis and compare companies one with each other, is that you will be able, in fact, to see the companies appearing here all the time in the navigation on the left. So that's really the advantage, and why we recommend you to start first of all maybe having a couple of assets that you're interested in and adding them to the watch list, if not to your portfolio. Hope this is useful, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us on contact@vinley.ai.